Welcome, today we're going to show you how to game share on your PS5. So if you actually have a PS5 and want to share your games or get your friend games from his account onto your own PlayStation 5, as you see these games, I didn't actually buy it, I get it from my friend, I'll see from here. So how to actually game share on your PlayStation 5. So the first thing, if you want to give your friend the games, you want to actually give him your account. So you need to actually trust your friend before giving him your account, your email and password, so make sure that you fully trust your friend. After that, you need to let him go to the setting from here, and then you need to go to the users and accounts. After that, you need to actually go to other and click on console sharing and offline play. Now from here you need to click on enable. Now from here your friend need to hit on enable, and now he can actually download any games from your account. So how can he actually play your games from his account? He needs to go to the library from here and install the games that you have. So for an example, if he installed this game, he needs to actually have enabled your account or activated your account. After that he can just switch user or log out from your account, as you from here, and he can actually go on to his account, and now he can just play these games. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.